Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki kubor bamtakasni. Ka jingyalang kabinet kablalong haga katsau turik unai wing arhajar arpsan. Kabla kli do menteri rangba konrad ki sangma. Kala shim yiki katu kat ni kimat kabakongsan. Uba welan miki shilla menteri ka kot kia ubalong ru spokesperson. Ka MDE ula ai jingtip pat ba halor kini kirai. Amendment yaka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006 ka Meghalaya kala menjurban shim jaka salaipsan akartam ka jaka hanu Shillong. Amendment haka Rule 6D Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule arhajar khatnyo. Amendment haki service rules jongka Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission reappointment jong President bagi court ke State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Katam jong President meminta kan kot akan riu tering December arhajar arpsan.
You all regarding the agenda for the meeting of Cabinet held today on 14th of November 2025. So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally, like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The second one is the acquisition of additional land at Tynring, New Shnong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is, we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from here, from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. And the third one is the amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fourth one is the service rule for the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. We are just amending on this, where where they will be allowed to have their own recruitment board and to recruit their staff. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the President of the State Commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why, since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President. Definitely we'll try to develop it, but as of now I think I'm not in a position to say all that, because I think the urban department will be, definitely they will think of something good in order to beautify and to ease the congestion in Shillong.
And what's the timeline, sir, for completion of the acquiring of the land and building the...
See, because we are in the process, because it has to be clear from the cabinet. Then only we are already in talk with the so it is, since it has been brought to the cabinet, so I think very soon it will be clear. You mean to say for the rate? So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate.
And
acquiring the land. So once we acquire land, then only we can proceed with the construction.
Party or
private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for I think for police, I think police reserve or something.
And this land will solely use for the construction of
Jail, for that, I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now, as I have been informed that this is for jail.